Go to your File Explorer, go to any folder. Before changing file extension, click on View, click on Show More, enable file name extensions, and then here we can see the file extension is JPG. To change, select the file or image, right click and simply click on Show More in Options and click on Rename, and now select the file extension or format. So this is the JPG image. I'm simply typing here PNG and hit enter. Click on yes, and that's how we can actually change file extension or format using File Explorer. Now let's see the second method. On your browser, type here format change online, search for it, and here you get lots of website. You can use any of the website to convert any file. So I'm opening this first website, online-converter.com. In here, select a file type. You can select audio, video, image, document, ebook, archive. So for example, I want to change my video extension, so I'm just selecting here video converter, and here select any option. You can convert your video to 3GP, AVI, MOV, OGV, MPG, WMV. So select any option. I'm selecting here AVI, for example. Now all you have to need, click on choose file and upload the video from your PC that you want to change format. Once the video uploaded in this website, as you can see, the current extension is MP4. Just click on start and we can see the extension is now changing through the website. Once changed, click on download, and here we can see the video format successfully changed from MP4 to AVI.